I'm Hithal, and I know it's been a super long time since we posted anything to Show Me the Curry, but I'm here to share with you my new lifestyle. Now, unfortunately, Anuja cannot be in these videos because we are still cities apart. Bummer, I know. But I wanted to introduce you to my daughter.
Hi everyone, I'm Sejal, and our family has adopted a new style of living and eating called the ketogenic diet, also known as keto.
Now basically this lifestyle is a great way to lose weight, feel great, and overall just be healthy. Now Indians have a history of all sorts of ailments like diabetes, high blood pressure, so on and so forth. And I feel like collectively, if we took a small effort, it's actually a little bit bigger effort, but if we took a little bit of effort to watch what we eat and how we function in life, a lot of these ailments can be alleviated. Now this lifestyle isn't always easy. It's not easy for Indians because of the way we eat, and it certainly is a lot harder for vegetarians, which I am.
But that's why we're here to help you learn how to sustain this lifestyle for the long haul.
So we're gonna try to put some of our recipe videos on Show Me the Curry so that you guys can get a little feel, a little taste of what this is all about. But if you really want to share in our journey and kind of get the whole feeling, the experiences that we've faced and starting a new journey like this, then please subscribe to our new channel. It's called EasyToKeto. And I'm so excited to be back. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.
So don't forget to subscribe to our new channel, and just remember that it's easy to keto if you know how. Thanks for watching. Bye.